Good afternoon, guys. I want to really appreciate you guys for this the likes, the views, and support you guys have been giving me. Though I've not been seeing any comments, but I'll keep uploading, and I've gotten new followers. Well, I want to say you guys welcome to the new guys that came to came to this page to actually learn one or two. Definitely some will be like to come and see, okay, what's this guy doing? Alright, okay. So as you can see on the chart, this is UJ, USDJPY. Yeah. Well, I've been on a winning streak. If you have observed my previous video I uploaded, I think that was 2 days ago. I posted a setup on GU, which it's actually running actually. Let's go to GU. Yeah, there's the GU, and wow, it just hits TP. It just hits TP. So this is setup on GU I took. So remember, if you've started following us from the first page, first post, sorry, I've been telling you guys the market is all about patience. Just like Karma is a very very good guy. I learned a lot from him. I learned a lot from Karma. You said your idolo. So this setup right here, this setup right here, one of the idolos, as Kama will always call them. He calls them idolos, and it's kind of very very funny. Although I don't know, people do. I keep seeing some crazy things online on X, especially about some people who claim they are into forex. Like, bro, the truth about this whole thing is, I don't know if I'll talk about forex as a topic maybe in another video. I think I will have time to, maybe then I'm going to present myself to the, although my face is already listening, it's not something that you guys will just see me talking about forex. The truth about it is forex is very very difficult. I won't lie to you, it's not something to brag about, but this is my fifth year. Some people, people are different, you understand. And again, there are so many things, there are so many criteria to look out for. It doesn't mean that someone did it in 1 year means that you're going to do it in 1 year. Somebody did it in 2 years means that you're going to do it in 2 years. Sometimes luck, risks are involved in all these things. One of the dollars was like, okay, the market was here. I was like, buy, 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 buy. I saw that post and I was like laughing. I was like, what is this guy like actually saying? Even the fundamentals itself is telling you that the market currently is favoring dollar. So how do you actually, what confluences are you seeing that is making you think? I will not lie to you, I'm a structure kind trader. As I told you, I learned from Kama and Art. Very very nice mentors. You guys can actually refer to them. They are very very good. You will really learn a lot. But then you see this forex thing, trading as a whole, it's a difficult thing. No matter how you go through a mentor, there are other aspects of trading that you need to actually figure out yourself. Some people will keep harassing some other people who have gone to go and pay mentorship. For some of even these idols, even those you go to them to go and, you must still learn forex. There is a lot of things there's a lot of things you need to learn from trading that these people will not teach you, but you need to figure it out yourself. And that is the truth. And that's the honest truth. The only thing I can tell you, whatever you see online, those flashy things you see, it's possible. 100%. Even I myself, I'm in this game for those flashy things because I have dreams, I have aspiration that I want to achieve. So let's not make this video very, very long. Maybe I'm going to talk about forex as a separate video on its own. So back to this the trade. We have already hit profit, and I even showed you guys. I took my profit here. I took my profit here, so I just left it to run. But this is the sector. This is where I predicted the market to come. I believe this market is coming down to this area because the market I feel is bullish, because we have already gotten a change of structure, or a change of character, as they call it, a change of character. So I believe this price is coming to this OB. I will not say POI, but I'll call it AOI. But the price is looking for something around here. But then that will be a setup for another day. I'm going to be looking at this setup. Maybe we're going to figure out what is going to happen. We have, today is Wednesday. We have Thursday, Friday. We're going to see what is going to happen on Thursday, Friday. Let's see whether there is going to be a setup. There must be an order flow that is going to let us know that the market is about to reverse. So I'm going to still be, posting some updates so that you guys can see. So as for me, you see my trades. This is how I trade. If you look at here, this market didn't touch my price, but then I waited for the market hit my price, come to profit. Since then I've been waiting patiently. That's how the market, if you want to succeed in this market as a retail trader, not a professional trader. When I mean a professional trader, those traders that stay in the pits, those guys, their way of trading, they don't look at the charts the way we look at the chart. So as retail traders, you have to be patient, except you want to be gambling with price, and then you are good at your risk management. Fine, good and fine. That's up to you. All right, let's go back to our UJ, because UJ, when I posted, I was saying previously, when I posted a previous video, I took a loss. If you look at the profit I made on GU, about $100, I took a loss on UJ, and this is the loss. And is this loss I want to talk about, and then what I am expecting from the market. How did I even come about this trade? Now let me explain. Now we had the week. Last week, as I told you guys, we predicted the markets, we took profits, we are happy. So I waited for the market. So we're now having a new week. As we have a new week, then we'll no longer be dealing with the daily range. Instead, now we're going to be dealing with the weekly range. What is the weekly range telling us? So we have to go to the higher time frame. What are we seeing on the higher time frame? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let me tell you guys how I took the trade. Alright, this is what I saw in the weekly time frame. As you see, we saw price got to this order block. We got a reversal, but as you can see on the candle, it's not that clear. So I think now what we see is that the market is still bullish. Now, what I was expecting from the market, I told you that there is a big gap here, and normally the market, as we know it, this is my 5 years trading, normally doesn't leave that gap open. It always goes to go and fill it before going whatever. But if you can look at the markets, look at the direction of the market, we are bullish. You see the trend, this is a trend. We are bullish. You get on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. Now let's go down to daily time frame. So this is what we are seeing on the daily time frame. Now what is our confluence? This is what I saw on my confluence that made me okay. Now what am I looking at? Now this is my weekly range. Looking at my daily range, because now we are in a new week. I'm expecting to see where is market coming to and where is market going to. Now remember, what are my confluences? Now I'll point them out to you. Now first, we'll figure out our range. This is our range, right? This is our range. What did I say in our last video? We always sell from the premium. This is premium, and we buy from our discount. Remember, we sell from our premium, we buy from our discount. All right. Now, talking about range, our first confluence is like I'm going to write. Okay, let's put 1. Okay. Our first confluence. Our first confluence let me make this text what color? Let's put it black. I don't want it to be having a kind. Okay. First confluence. Let me make it big enough. Meta settings. Let me make it bold. Okay, so that you guys can see it. All right, our first confluence. What are we seeing in our first confluence? Our first confluence is from this point to this point. I can see an imbalance. Look at this imbalance. Let me click it. This is our imbalance, and that's my daily imbalance. When the weekly started, this is how it started. It started from this point. This is where our Friday. Now, this is our imbalance. Now, this now is a hanging man candlestick, which symbolizes a reversal. If I don't know if most of you have done candlestick patterns. If you know about candlestick patterns, there are some kind of way some candlesticks will align. You know if the market is about to this thing. So we have, this is our second confluence telling us the market is going to a premium price. Do you get premium price? Remember, we still have this young man to fill, this big block here. Let's call it our first confluence. Then our second confluence. Okay, let me use this guy. Two. Let me give space. Second confluence. confluence. What's our second confluence? Our second confluence is this hanging man. Hanging man, which signifies a reversal. Alright, I already know the market is coming. Now, I'm expecting this market. This is my second confluence now. And these are the confluences I'm seeing on the higher time frame. I guess I'm not seeing any other confluence again. Any other confluence apart from this guy. Let's note everything. Okay, let us look at this big guy here, this candle here. Let's call it maybe liquidity, which price can still react to. Okay, let it be that that's our third confluence. Please bear with me. With time, I think we'll upgrade our third confluence. Let's make that our third confluence. Third confluence. Third confluence. Alright, our third confluence. This is what we are seeing. An imbalance, a reversal candle, hanging man, telling us the market is about to retrace. Now, a liquidity candlestick, which looks like we will make this thing normal, which looks like an indecisive candle. I don't know if I'll make a video on candlesticks, but it's something that it's one of the first things you guys need to know about the forex market. You guys need to learn about candlestick. It will really help you a lot. In identifying these little things. There are some people that they can trade like this reversal. It's their thing, and they make money from it. Strategy can be anything. You get. Now, these are the confluences we see on a higher time frame. Now let's go to a lesser time frame now, so that we can see more candles, and let us see what we are seeing. Now on the lesser time frame, what are we seeing? Look at this guy here. We have an OB here. Do you get? Wow. And that OB now is resting on my imbalance. Are you seeing where I'm heading to? And now we have an internal range liquidity. Which makes it clear. Now I've seen two things. Now on my imbalance, I am seeing an OB there. Okay, I'm seeing an OB, and I'm still an internal range liquidity. That's another sign. So I'm seeing like two confluences. Let's say three confluences. Let's make this like this. Okay, let's make this like this. Let's see on the daily TF means time frame. Okay, we will have three confluences, which are one, our indecisive candle, two, our imbalance, three, our reversal candle. Now on the 4 hours time frame, which is where we are, 4H TF, we are seeing how many confluences? We are seeing an OB, we are seeing one confluence, we are seeing an OB on the imbalance, on the daily imbalance 2, we can see an IRL, which symbolizes internal range liquidity. No, you can see an IRL before the OB 3. What other conferences are we seeing? We can still see a reversal candle. This guy, still a reversal candle, saying that price will come. And again, where is all these guys resting? They are all resting in the premium. This is our equilibrium. This line here symbolizes our equilibrium, and then the here now is our premium, and this is our discount. This area here that is gray is our discount, and while the area on orange, light orange, is our premium. Now that's why I decided to, okay, I'm going to take my entry from this point and then put my stop loss above this OB here. All right, but now what happened? What happened in the market? This is what we saw in the market. So we saw price exactly hit my entry. Even on the 1 hour time frame, we can see another OB. That was why I made that entry. You see how it sniped it, but it came down and then went back to take me out. All right, that is how I lost that trade. That's how the market is. All right, most times market will not go according to your plan. Sometimes it might be that, okay, now this is the closest OB we have on our premium, but now look at this, there is another OB here. Are you guys feeling me? So sometimes that's why risk manage is very, very important in trading. As I've lost the market here, what do I have to do? I have to wait. As market has passed my my demand. That means price is not looking at that OB. Price is looking for another OB. As you see, price got to this point. I will not come and say, okay, because it has gotten to this OB, and I should now make a sell entry again. No, you don't do like that. What do you do? This is how you do it. You wait and see what the market is going to print. What's the order flow? So we had market come, rally down, okay, took us out from the trade, went up, came to this internal range liquidity. Before this OB resting here, there's another OB here on the 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let you see it. You can see it. This is it. 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is an OB here, and you can see how price just sniped the internal range liquidity and then reacted. But then what is the reaction? That's why you don't rush, you wait. Now I'm going to tell this is where I'm going to now decide. We have 2 days remaining in the week, which is Thursday and Friday. What do I have? I've already taken profit on my GU, so which I am good. So all I have to do is I have to wait for a clean setup. Now what are my setups? Now I had this order flow, price came. Now this price came into this imbalance here, which is this demand, meaning that demand failed. As demand failed, price came now and reacted to that spot. But now look at something that is happening now. As price came into this demand, which is still an imbalance, but then see what happened. That's why I always tell you to wait. Price now went up, price didn't take this. But now you will see an aggressive trader, someone who wants to like, okay, I lost the market here, I want to revenge trade. I've seen the market come into this imbalance. The person will now take it buy. Although if you look at it, where is this 2? Yeah, look at it. How many pips? As a new trader, you have to be very calculative. This pip is just 70 pip. It's still good. But you now that is having a very, very low account, maybe you're having $50 in your account, you're having $100 in your account, you're having $500, might not really mean anything. And remember, you are trying to train your mental state in trading, your psychology. You want it to be strong. You will not start using a very big lot size. Okay, you have to make sure that your confidence level in trading has gotten to a degree whereby you can risk more so that you can make more. Unlike me, I can risk more because I'm confident in whatever I'm doing. Okay, just imagine now. Then this is what happened. Market came, did like 51 pips and returned back. Imagine now you enter the market from here. Market could have come and take you out, and then is already toying with your emotion state and your psychology. Are you guys getting me? So that's why you don't just rush into the market. You just have to wait. Now, what have I set? I have set some confluences. What are my confluences? Look at this line I've set. Let me take this up so you guys can see it. Okay, I have, let's call this a buy side liquidity. I have a buy side liquidity. Let's make this a dotted line too. I have a buy side liquidity and I have a sell side liquidity. Let's make this a dotted line. Okay, sell side liquidity. So until I want to know what price is about to do. If price breaks here, I believe price is now coming out to take this guy. If price breaks, let's move this. If price breaks this buy side liquidity, I believe price is coming out to take this guy. That means our order flow is not yet, our setup has not yet built. Has not been built. So I need price to come take this guy. Either of these two guys, either of these two lows, these two lines here. Price needs to come and take either of the two. Go back here, take this guy. Then it is, if it takes this guy and takes this guy, then I need to see market come back again and take this guy that took out these guys. Let me make it very, very clear. I'm going to be using 2 arrows now to identify it. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I want to see the market do. I want to see the market come, because this one I'm seeing indecisive candle. I want to see the market come, take out these guys, come now, take out this guy or this guy. Okay, then I will now come and see price. Okay, either price will now come and do like this and continue to the upside, or I will see price come this way, take out these guys. Okay, take this guy out, then come back to take this guy out, then come here, come into here, there is going to be an OB created here. Then I'll see price come down, okay, to this guy here, this OB. Okay, that's what I'm expecting to see. But if price will now want to do this stuff, price will want to, okay, come down to this place before it goes up. Okay, let's change it so that you guys will not feel confused. Let me use red, which is going to signify itself, and then the green is going to signify it. So this is what I expect to see the markets do. All right, if not, I'm not making any entry. I have to see something going to happen. Well, let me show you an example in what I mean by that. Something like this. Look at this guy. Just look at what happened here. You see what price did? There must be an internal range liquidity. If price now come and take these guys, these two guys that I was talking about here, then these guys are going to be turned to like internal range liquidity. Okay, now price is not going to go down. I must see price come out to take that low that actually took this internal range liquidity. That low that took out this internal range liquidity, I need to see price come and take it out. Then I will now say, okay, price is about to sell. That is the setup. Look at what happened here. I will not just say, I'm not talking about anybody. I myself, this is what I figured out. I've made so many mistakes, countless numbers of time. Okay, I've seen market come and take out internal range liquidity. Okay, market is about to sell. The next thing you're gonna see price going to take out people. You see, stomp hunt, go and take out people. But what the price did? Look at what price did. Price now came down to take out these guys that took out internal range, that took the internal range liquidity. That's when I now said change of character. Are you not seeing it? Now what the price did? Price came down, look for anything, whether it's an imbalance or an OB, then went back up. Now this is where I'm now going to be looking for entry for sell. Do you now see the setup? And what happened? This is a clean big sell. So that is what I am expecting to see here. Okay, that's what I'm expecting to see. So I will not just rush into the market and say okay, and say I want to reverse trade. That's where market is going to deal with you. Now imagine people that have said, okay, I want to buy here. Just look at what happened. Market would have come here close to their, maybe they are strong, and definitely you want to put your stop loss here, which is not even advisable. How will you even take a trade? Just look at the distance from here to this guy. How many pips? 40 pips. Come on, that's a lot. So sometimes you need to be strategic. Are you getting me? You need to be very, very strategic with your stop loss. Now look at my own stop loss. It's just a very, very little. Okay, if you see it about like 20 pips or so. If I reduce this guy, make it okay here. Are you not seeing it? It is about 26 pips because I'm dealing with a very big lot size. Do you get? Because what do I stand to gain? This is what I stand to gain. I'm always the guy that always targets big entry. This is what I stand to gain. I'm looking for 200 pips. That's why I'm always patient. In our previous trade, look how I got this guy. Just look at this guy, about 170 pips. So that's how you trade. Always be patient. The patient dog eat the largest bone. I'm not making nobody whine you. Let nobody whine you. And that's how trading is. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to stop here. But this video has become very, very long. Okay, so I'm cutting here and uploading it. So I still like you guys to, if you have any question, drop a question, and I'll go through the comments, and then drop a video to explain whatever questions you guys have on the comment section. Thank you very much, and have a great day.